Habit 1. The integrity of the smallest promise. Most men are not broke because of money. They are broke because their word means nothing, even to themselves. You set an alarm for 5 a.m. You hit snooze. In that moment, you told your subconscious, "My comfort is stronger than my commitment." And your brain believed you. A high-value man has an unbreakable internal contract. If he says he will do it, it is already done. Start small. One promise today. Keep it. Power is built in private agreements. Habit 2. Ruthless intellectual filtering. Your value equals the quality of your inputs. Most men are digital landfills, scrolling outrage, consuming garbage, feeding on cheap dopamine, and then they wonder why their thinking is weak. Attention is currency. Spend it carelessly and you go bankrupt mentally. If it doesn't sharpen your skill, expand your perspective, or build leverage, it's a liability. Filter everything. Protect your focus like it's oxygen, because it is. Habit 3. The discipline of silence. A valuable man does not leak energy through noise. In a world addicted to stimulation, silence is dominance. Sit alone. 10 minutes. No phone, no music, no distraction. Watch how restless your mind becomes. That restlessness is your lack of control. Stoic mastery is forged in silence. If you can't command your thoughts in a quiet room, you will collapse in chaos. Habit 4. Physical competence as law. Your mind cannot lead where your body is too weak to follow. Physical discipline is not aesthetics. It is psychological authority. When you push through the wall in a workout, you train your nervous system to stay calm under stress. A weak body negotiates. A trained body executes. A man who cannot command his biology will never command his destiny. Strength is not optional, it is baseline. Habit 5. Selective association. Look at your circle. If they reward your mediocrity, they are not your friends. They are anchors. You become the standard of the room you tolerate. A valuable man is a gatekeeper. He does not chase belonging. He demands elevation. Cut the rope on low standards. Better alone and advancing than surrounded and stagnant. Habit 6. The deep work sprint. High-value men compress time. 2 hours of monk mode beats a week of scattered, busy work. Pick the hardest task on your list. Attack it first. No phone, no notifications, no escape routes. Momentum is not magic. It is earned by doing what 99% are too soft to start. Rebuild your value quietly. No announcements, no speeches. Execute.